guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating Baishaki makeup look. Baishaki is the Indian festival, so guys, without delay, let's begin. So guys, I'm doing Baishaki makeup today, so it will be a little bit heavy makeup today. So very important to do your skin care before you start any makeup. So I'm going to start with my skincare or skin prep. First, I'm going to apply moisturizing. So moisturizing I'm using from Revolution Pro Miracle Cream. Then I'm going to apply whole my face and little bit in neck. So guys, it's very important to do skincare before you start to makeup, no matter what skin type have you got. So I have got dry skin, so I have to dehydration my face properly. Second, I'm going to apply primer from Revolution Dewy Primer. As you can see how beautiful my skin now. Very hydrating my skin. Then I'm going to apply eye cream from Clinique to reduce fine lines and keep my eye hydrating. This eye cream is very nice, very lightweight. I tried many eye creams, but this is the best. Then I'm going to apply lip balm from Vaseline Rosy to keep my lip plump and smooth and reduce any dryness and crackness, especially is in winter. Still very cold weather in the UK, so always dry my lips. So I done my skincare or skin prep, so I'm going to leave my skin at least 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. After 5 minutes, I'm going to use color correcting before applying foundation and concealer to correct the black circle eyes, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, blemishes. So apply the color correcting according to your skin tone. So today I'm going to use color correcting from Revolution Pro Ultimate Retinate Color Correcting. And I'm going to apply under my eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone. This amount is enough. Then I'm going to use my clean finger to blend out very gently. I'm not going to rub off. You can use small beauty sponge or small brush to blend out. Then I'm going to apply foundation. So foundation I'm using from X Factor Miracle Second Skin Hydrating Foundation. Then I'm taking only 2 pump in my hand. Not too much. Not very thick layer we need to apply, so only 2 pump enough. Then I'm going to use my clean finger to apply. Then I'm taking damp beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend out. You can use brush to blend out as well, but damp beauty sponge is the best to get flawless result. And don't forget to apply in your neck, leftover. Always apply leftover. Next, I'm going to apply concealer. So concealer I'm using from Maybelline Liquid Fit Me 03. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes, forehead, near my mouth and chin where I needed highlights. So again, I'm going to use very less amount. I'm going to use a small beauty sponge to blend out. Then look upward, then blend out. It's very necessary to blend out properly. Second concealer I'm using from Jacqueline for extra highlights under my eyes and forehead and a little bit in chin. This is for brightness. Then I'm going to use same beauty sponge to blend out. You can use a small brush to blend out. Then I'm going to let it dry at least 2 minutes concealer before I apply any translucent powder under my eyes before get crisp. Next, I'm going to apply contour from the Studio London stick, and I'm going to apply cheekbone, forehead, jawline and upper lips. Then I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend out. You can use brush to blend out and blend out upward. Don't drag down. Blend out till it's smooth and make sure there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm applying translucent powder from e.l.f. Then taking product like that, then using powder puff, then taking very less amount. Then leftover I'm going to apply under my eyes, not too much. We don't want too much powdery under eyes, otherwise eyes will be very dry. And always press gently. Same setting powder I'm going to apply in my cheekbone to give extra definition. So next I'm doing my eyebrow, then using eyebrow comb, then just comb upward. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA Brow Define Micro Pencil. Then I'm just going to fill up my sparse area, not very heavy, just slightly light because I'm doing very heavy eye makeup. So slightly I'm going to fill up. Next, I'm going to apply same translucent powder, setting powder, whole eyelid. Dust out extra amount. Then just apply. And forehead and near mouth where I start to sweating. So next I'm doing my eye makeup. So eyeshadow palette I'm using from Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis. So first color I'm taking very light skin color, peachy or some skin tone color. Then I'm just going to apply in my eye crease and eye bone. I'm taking very small amount first, then build up. Then I'm going to blend out till it's the smooth and there is no harsh lines. Don't take too much product first. Then I'm taking little bit small floppy brush. Then I'm taking second color. Then I'm going to apply whole my eyelid. Just going to do pack in first in my eye crease. Then I'm going to apply in my eyelid. Then taking very small amount first, then keep building up till you get color, and light hand just blend out. Then I'm taking same first color, then I'm going to diffusing first color and second color. Make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm taking dark brown color and taking a small brush, fluffy brush. Then I'm going to apply outer corner of my eyes to give little bit smoky effects. Then taking clean brush, then just diffusing two colors, dark brown and burgundy color, to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm taking shimmer color, little bit pink and burgundy color. Then taking a small flat brush, just going to apply in a half eyelid. Next I'm going to clean side hairs to make sure it's clean and sharp look. So I'm taking flat brush like that, and same concealer I'm using. Then I'm going to blend out with my finger, very gently and slowly, because we don't want to disturb this line. Next I'm applying eye pencil from Revelation, then just going to apply waterline. Then I'm taking same light color, then going to apply lower eyelashes, smoke out. Next I'm going to apply mascara from MUA Eye Define Lengthening Mascara. So guys, I'm not going to apply any fake eyelashes or eyeliner, otherwise it will look very heavy eye makeup. If you want to apply fake eyelashes or eyeliner, you can go ahead. Next I'm going to clean the powder. Next I'm going to apply bronzer to give more intense. Blush I'm using from Jacqueline Stick Cream Blush AAEO09 Overruled. I'm just going to apply in my high points. It's very pigmented. That will be okay. Then I'm just going to blend out. Next I'm going to apply liquid lipstick from Maybelline Super Stay Vanilla Ink Lipstick shade 10 Lippy, and I'm going to apply direct from the applicator. So highlighter I use from Maybelline is the liquid. I'm not sure it's been recording. So guys, this is my final look. Very dramatic eye makeup and perfect for the Baishaki. Bright and elegant. And I have got fulkari, heavy chunni and plain suit. I'll show you full. So this is the fulkari, plain suit, gold. curtain like that. So you can do any, this is the multicolor fulkari. So lots of color there, pink, maroon, yellow, green, everything. Any kind, any color you can choose, eyeshadow color. So happy Baishaki everyone. I hope you love watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.